Hello foodies, welcome to FoodyRulz. I'm Shri Krishna and today I'm going to share how to make this creamy scrambled eggs which is popular and also served with toast. So on a low flame pan I've added a tablespoon of butter. This is salted butter, and I've taken 3 eggs in which I'm going to add a little bit of pepper and salt and mix everything and keep it aside. Meanwhile, our butter is melted and all the milk solid started to get aside, and I've added all the eggs at a time and waited around like 10 to 20 seconds for all the corners to get whitish. So you need to mix constantly, you need to mash everything, you need to cook it on lowest flame as possible. Mix everything until everything get white and also still creamy. You should not make it hard if you want to make it creamy. If you want to make it hard, it's totally fine, but you know, this recipe is of creamy scrambled eggs, so I'm not adding it. So to make it extra creamy, I've added a tablespoon of more butter. So make sure that you use regular butter or else the salt becomes more. And that's it. Serve it with some good toast and juice and enjoy.